Hello dear students, today we are going to start lesson number 9, superstitions, page number 31. As you are all aware or familiar with the word superstitions, yet today I am going to talk to you about this one. Actually, the superstitions are false beliefs that do not have any logical basis. It is a belief that has no basis in reason. It is born out of fear and ignorance. So it has got no reason. Okay, we believe blindly just because maybe we are told, or maybe just because it is our ritual, we do it. But often we do it without knowing, that is out of ignorance or because of fear. And this is what we are going to talk about for today's class. You can see what are superstitions, as I've already told you. Next we are going to see what does superstitions literally mean, and few examples I have already written here. Having haircut on particular dates, or maybe on the days of the week. We can have a second one is there, cross a path under the ladder. So there are people, okay, who do not or who does not want to cross a path or a ladder wearing new clothes only on a particular days of the week. So we have got some kind of superstitions that we do it. Maybe you may not be doing it, but hopefully you are aware of all these things. The word literally means standing over, that is standing still over a thing in fear and awe. Superstition is a thing of darkness, it cannot stand light, yet people allow superstitions to govern their lives. Govern means that we are acting according to the false belief. Whatever we believe, it may not have some reason, but yet we allow our lives to be governed by these superstitions. When a black cat crosses the way, a person hesitates to go along his way, as there is a strong prevalent belief that such an omen spell failures of the mission, the task shall remain unaccomplished. So here we see an example of a superstition. Like maybe we are going on a way and suddenly we see a cross passing by, we at once stop, okay, thinking that if we are not stopping or not pausing for a while, then something worst might happen to us. So that is also a false belief. Let us move on. Most people believe Tuesdays to be an inauspicious day for having haircut. So on Tuesday we are not supposed to get haircut. So this is also an example of superstition. Barbers keep their saloons closed on this day in order to avoid lean business, for they are compelled to give in to their clients' superstition. So the shopkeeper also, the barbers, okay, those who give haircuts, no, they also close their shop, and the people around here, maybe they also stop going or getting haircut from the barber, just because it is which day? Just because it is on Tuesday. So the Tuesday people do not get haircut. Next one. Many people do not like to cross a path under the ladder. So you see, if the ladder is kept somewhere, maybe on a top, people are not willing to cross, just because it is also a belief that something bad or something worst might happen in their life. New clothes should be worn on Wednesdays only, and so only Wednesdays new clothes are supposed to be worn. That is also a kind of false belief. Journey in a particular direction should not be undertaken on certain days. So you see, journeys on particular direction should not be overtaken on certain days. You see, what are the days? For eastward journeys, if you are going eastwards, no, on Monday and Saturdays. For western, okay, western Sundays and Fridays. And then you have, okay, southward Thursdays, and for northward you have got Tuesdays and Wednesdays are avoided by superstitious people. So the days are already divided on those particular dates, no, like days of the week. You are not supposed to, like what to say, you should not take, okay, the turn on that side, okay, eastern side or the western side, okay, whatever the sides are there, on the days of those particular days of the week, you cannot turn. A sneeze, a natural function of the human body, is considered an ill omen on certain occasions by some people. So sneeze that comes, okay, that is also considered as very bad in certain occasions. What logical basis can there be for all these things? Why should certain days in the week be good and for starting a journey and others bad? Numerous superstitions bog down the minds of people. So here we see, okay, a lot of example in the sense, okay, it's a lot of practices which we do it falsely without knowing, maybe just because of, as we have already seen, maybe we are afraid of it, maybe just because of our ignorance we do this. So we believe, okay, whichever has no reason, okay, you cannot make, here it is written there, what are superstitions? Superstitions are belief that do not have any logical basis. So these superstitions, okay, the false belief do not have any logical basis. It is, okay, it is a belief that has no basis in reason. So these are few examples, okay, which I would like to put before you. You must remember all these things and write down, okay, what superstitions are, what does superstition literally mean, and few examples of superstitions. So you must give few examples, okay. Let me write here, give few examples of superstitions. So these three questions you must do it in your copy. Hope I have made it clear to you. If you have any kind of clarifications with this, you can ask me on the next day. Thank you so much.